Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all in Abstract Online Support Program. Textbook required. Class 1 Mathematics, New Syllabus, Primary Mathematics, Book 1, 2nd edition. Page numbers. Textbook page numbers are 102 to 107. Workbook pages 89 to 92. Chapter number 9, Length. Lesson, finding the length of the object. Resources required are either textbook, workbook, laptop or mobile. Introduction or summary of lesson. Measure length of different objects by using different things. Thought of the day. One kind word can change someone's entire day. So be kind with others. Our today's topic is finding the lengths of objects. Let's do some mental math exercise. Number 1. 3 plus 6. What is 3 plus 6? Count. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the answer is 9. Number 2. Write down the next number. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the next number? Yes, 13. Number 3. You have to count the sides. How many sides are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 sides. Very good. Now, number 4. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? 3. Very nice. Number 5. Which number is missing from the number line? Let's read the numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then missing number, then 13. What will the missing number? 11, 12, 13. Very nice. It's a 12. You all are very good in mental maths. Objective. In the end, student will be able to compare length of object by using different things. Success criteria. Use different things to compare and ordering the length of objects. Let's do a quick recap of our previous lesson. Our previous lesson was height and length. Height. The word height is used when we want to measure how tall object is. Length. What is length? Length is measured how long is something or distance between 2 points. Let's understand what length is and how to measure it. The word length is used to measure how long an object is. For example, the length of your room's floor, length of the blackboard, or length of the pencil. It is also used to measure distances. For example, the distance from your home to school, or distance between 2 countries or 2 cities. You can measure length of any object. What are basic measuring things used in length? we use so many different kind of things to measure length. For example, we use paper clips, hand span, foot span, arm or a cupid, ice cream sticks and pins. There are only some I have mentioned. There are so many more measuring things you can use to measure length of any object. And these all are non-standard measuring units. Let's talk about paper clip. How we can use paper clips to measure length of different objects. Do remember, it is non-standard unit of measurement. Look at in the picture. Using paper clips as unit of measurement, how long are the scissors? We have to find the length of scissors by placing paper clips one next to one, as you can see in this picture. There should be no gap between paper clips. Now place them 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 paper clips. 4 paper clips are placed with no gap and it covered all length of scissors. It means scissors are 4 paper clip long or 4 units long. Let's do some more exercise for measuring from paper clips. Which is longer, the pencil or the crayon? You have to find it out by placing paper clips. So a pencil is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paper clip long. And a crayon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper clips long. It means the length of the pencil is about 6 units and the length of the crayon is about 5 units. So we can easily tell that pencil is longer than the crayon. Why? Because pencil has more units than the crayon. So what we did, we used 1 paper clips as the 1 unit. If I don't have any measuring device and I want to measure a table, what will I use? Can I use my hand? Can I use my hand to measure? Yes, of course I can. I can use a hand span to measure a table. A hand span is a measure of a distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of a little finger with the hand fully extended. As you can see in the picture below, that if we spread our hand widely, so we can use it as a non-standard measuring unit for length. We can measure different things by using a hand span. For example, your book, your table, your chair or your bed. Try it at home. We can also use foot as a unit of non-standard measuring unit. Foot span is the distance from the tip of longest toe to the end of the ankle. Let's measure the length of sofa with the help of foot span. Look in the picture how foots are arranged. There should be no gap between foots. Taking foot as a single unit, now let's count how many foots are there in one sofa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 foots, or you can say it is 10 units of foot in one sofa. Arm. We can use our arm as a unit of length, and it is also non-standard measuring tool. Like handspan and footspan, we can use our arm to measure length of different objects, and its distance is from tip of big finger to the end of elbow, as you can see in the picture. Ice cream sticks. We can use same size of ice cream sticks to measure anything. In the picture, there is a blackboard, and we have to find out how long it is. Here, one ice cream stick shows 1 unit. Let's count how many ice cream sticks are placed with no gap between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The whiteboard is about 10 ice cream sticks long. It means we have placed 12 ice cream sticks, or you can say the length of the whiteboard is about 12 units. Why? Because one ice cream stick shows 1 unit. 12 ice cream sticks means 12 units. Pins. We can also use pins as a non-standard measuring tool. Again, like ice cream sticks, we can use same size pins for measuring length of any object. Recap. Let's recap what we have learned today. Length. When we measure length, we measure how long something is. You can measure the length of anything. We measure length using different non-standard units. For example, paper clips, handspan, footspan, arm, ice cream sticks, and pins. Home assignment. To textbook page number 102 to 107. Question number A to E in textbook. Do workbook page number 89 to 92. If you don't have textbook and workbook, do this homework in any notebook. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.